Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the dryer lint vacuum attachment. So this one, I already have my camera set up, so I don't really want to move it. I'll have the link. You'll see it comes with the hose. In fact, let me just show you how this goes on here. Okay, so you have the end of your vacuum, and you're just sliding it over. Then you're just pulling it like a zip tie, and it has a release right here, so you can actually undo it. And then you're not keeping this on here all the time. I'm using my really good Shark vacuum on this. I'm not using a cordless vacuum. This is a Shark Apex. Okay, so it's gonna get loud. So we're gonna take this out and turn it on. I'm gonna have it on the lowest setting to start with. And see, now this is a new dryer. And let me check my dust cup. Yes, my dust cup is empty. So this is a brand new dryer. I've had it about 2 months. So let's see how much lint is in here. Look at that. Sorry, this new dryer. Okay, let's check it out and see what we got. Okay, we didn't get a lot. You can see it down in there. But this dryer's 2 months old, and it did get that. That was not in the lint trap. Like, this was down into the bottom of the dryer. That's actually a pretty fair amount for a 2-month-old dryer. We have burned up a dryer or two in our days by not cleaning them, thinking that you're cleaning the vent outside and that's good enough, and it's not good enough. So I would suggest doing this every single time that you're cleaning out your washer filter right there. I would just go ahead and clean out this as well. Works good. Glad I bought it.